Good morning, friends. So in last lecture we have discussed related chapter number 2, polynomial, and in that we have discussed the zeros of polynomial. So now we go for the next topic, that is division algorithm method. So in it, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. P of x is equal to g of x multiplied by q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. So division algorithm method means what? First, again, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. In symbolically form, how we can write symbolically? That is, p of x is equal to g of x multiplied by q of x plus r of x. Now, one example that we have to see. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So already we have discussed in 9th standard that how we have to write. So first, what is p of x? That is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that is over p of x. Now what is g of x divisor? That is x plus 2. We have to find out the quotient and remainder r of x. So before we start, we go for 9th standard. In 9th standard already we have discussed about this x plus 2. Now what is the first step? We have to take monomial divided by monomial, that is 2x square divided by x. So initially when you are doing first time, on that time we have to write like this, divided by x, that is 2x. Now this 2x I have to write it here. Now open the bracket, means 2x multiplied by x. I have got answer 2x square. Again 2x multiplied by 2, that is plus 4x. Now what I have to do? I have to change the sign, that is minus minus. Now here we have got answer 0. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus x plus 1. Now again same method. We have to take here monomial, that is first term of first term, that is minus x divided by x. I will get minus 1. So I have to write minus 1 at here. Again I have to open the bracket, that is minus 1 into x, that is minus x, minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Now what is the step? That I have to change the sign, that is plus plus. Now we know that minus plus minus, so we can get answer 0. So here we have get answer 0. And here if you will go through it, if you will see plus 1 plus 2, we can get plus 1 plus 2, we can get answer plus 3. So these are all the simple sums that already we go in a 9th standard, that is plus 3. Now how you will write the answer? So for your better representation, what we have to do? We have to write what is g of x and what is r of x. So answer we have to describe like that, answer, and then g of x is equal to, q of x, I have to write it here, q of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and r of x is equal to plus 3. Always remember, when if remainder is 0, we can say is a factor of x plus 2 is a factor of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 if remainder is 0. So these type of sums that we have to go in division algorithm method. In division algorithm method, it should be asked in 3 marks. It should be asked in 3 marks. So first we have to take easy sum. We have to take easy sum because here power 2 is there. Now we go for some related power 3, because in 10th standard we have mostly do the long divisible method by x the power 4 or x the power 3. So I have to now do some more sums, or we have to do one more example, then we go for exercise 2.3. So now one more example, but concept of this is already described at here, that is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That is our rule. It is also called division algorithm method. Now one more sums I have to write, that is minus. So question is like that, 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 minus x square. But according to the rules, we have to write in a standard form, because question sometime not given in a standard form. On that time we have to write the question first in a standard form. So here question is not in a standard form. So first of all we have to write in a standard form. If we write the standard form, then minus x the power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 and divided by minus x square plus 6 minus 1. Now I hope that already we have completed one sum. So what is the first step again? Monomial divided by monomial. So I have to do it here, minus x the power 3 divided by minus x square divided by minus x square. What we can get answer? Plus x. So I have to write plus x. Now those who don't know how to do multiplication, we have to write in bracket. Minus x square plus x minus 1. So x, now I have to multiply this. So x multiplied by x square. So minus x cube. X multiplied by x, that is x square. X multiplied by 1, that is minus x. Now what is the next step? I have to change the sign. That is plus minus plus. Here it is 0. What we have to do it here? Plus 3 minus 1. So I have to write 2x square. Now again minus 3x plus x. So I have to write minus 2x plus 5. Now again same, 2x square divided by minus x square. So I have to write plus 2. So I have to write it here plus 2. sorry, here negative sign is there. Why? Because if I divide it, x square is cancelled. But here it is minus 2. So I will write minus 2. So I have to write minus 2 at here. Now I have to open the bracket. That is minus 2 into minus. That is 2x square minus 2 minus 2 into x. That is minus 2x. And minus 2 into minus 1. That is plus 2. Now we have changed the sign. So minus plus minus. I have got answer 0 at here. Again 0 at here. And remainder is 3. So that type of sum. Again what you have to write? That is over q of x. And here it is r of x. I hope you have understood that properly. I think that you have to write this. I hope you have written it. Now we go for the next exercise based sum, but pattern or method is same. So now exercise 2.3, question number 1. X cube minus 3x square. Question is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. X square minus 2. So between this there is a one term is missing. When x the power 2 is there and constant term is there, what I have to write between them? That is x term. So I have to write at here plus 0x. We can write, or you can, those who are intelligent or those who want to do without 0x, you can also do. But here if you will see some term is missing, so we can write 0x. But it is not necessary that every time you have to put 0x, because it depends on you how you are multiplying. Now if we do it directly, we can get same answer. Answer cannot be changed. So again x the power 2 divided by again x the power 2. So what again I have to write it here, x the power 3 divided by x square. So I have to write x. Now again multiply x the power 3. Now if I x multiply by minus 2, it is minus 2x. So I have to write it here, not at here, because here x square variable is there. So now here it is minus, here it is plus. Here we can get answer 0. Again x the power 3 divided by x square. So I will get answer x. Now if I multiply x with this, I will get x cube minus 2 into x minus 2x. Now I want to change the sign. So here it is minus, here it is plus. Now which term we have to take downward? That is minus 3x square. I have to write it here. So minus 3x square minus plus. So I have to write 7x minus 3. Now again, what next step? That is minus 3x square divided by x square. So minus 3 I have to write. So minus 3, where I have to write? At here. Minus 3x square divided by x square. So I have to write minus 3. Now I have to open the bracket. Same, minus 3 into x square. So minus 3x square. Again minus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. But both are negative term. When two terms are negative and if we multiply, it should be converted into a positive. That is plus 6 I have to write. Now I want to change the sign. So here it is plus, here it is minus. So here we have get answer 0. Plus 7x, that we have to write as it is. And minus 3 minus 6, mostly students are doing mistake at here. What they are doing? They are doing minus 3 plus 6. That is wrong. Minus 3 minus 6 I have to write, that is minus 9. So 7x minus 9. Clear? 7x minus 9. So now what is remainder? Someone asks, sir, can we go for the divide? Can we do it? We cannot do it. Why? Because already one written things at here. Degree of r of x less than degree of g of x or r of x equal to 0. We cannot do it because degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x is less than. So we cannot go continue. So that is remainder, we can say r of x. Here we can say it is a q of x. So 2.3 exercise is the most important exercise and mostly 5 sums are there. Out of 5, one question is find the quotient and the remainder of each. So 3 sums are there. I have completed 1. Now I think you have to write it. So now I have to rub this and do one more sums. Now that is exercise 2.3, question number 1. Exercise 2.3, question number 1 we are doing. Now question number 2. So in question number 1, again I say there are 3 sums. Out of 3 sums I have completed 1. Now question number 2 is what way or which way we can say it is, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by division second polynomial by first polynomial. So we have to check. Again we know that when r of x equal to 0, we can say it is a polynomial. So let me try that it is yes or no. Question number 2, we are discussing first sum. Question number 2, first sum I am discussing. So now question number 2, that is t. So sometimes this type of variables we can use t the power 2 minus 3 t the power 2 minus 3 and 2 t the power 4 plus 3 t cube minus t2 square minus 9t minus 12. So 2 t the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. 2 to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Now divided by t square minus 3. So t square I have to write it here, t square minus 3. Two to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12 divided by t square minus 3. So what is the first step? Again we have to go through it. So first term, or we can say monomial divided by monomial. So if you will see 2 to the power 4 divided by t square. So if you will see answer is 2t square. So I have to write here 2t square. T square. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply this 2t square multiplied by t square, that is 2 to the power 4. Again 2t square multiplied by minus 3. So I have to write 3 to the 6, but t square is there. So minus 6t square. Why I am not writing it here? Because here it is a cube power and here we have get that is a square power. So we have to write the square power below the square power. Now I have to change the sign, that is minus plus. Here we have get answer 0. 3t cube plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2, that is plus 4t square minus 9t. I have to write t cube plus 4t square minus 90. Now what I have to do? Again 3t cube divided by t square. 3t cube 3t cube divided by t square. What I have to write again? That is plus 3t plus 3t. I have got it here. Now next step, I have to open this bracket, means 3t into t square, that is 3t cube. 3t into minus 3. 3 3s are 9, so I have to write minus 90. I cannot write it below 4t square because variables are changed. Now again, here it is plus, so I have to write minus. Here it is minus, I have to write plus. Here you can get answer 0. What I have to write it here? 4t square. Here it is 0. From here I have to write minus 12. Now 4t square divided by t square. 4t square divided by t square. That is, now 4 I have to write it here. So 4 into t t, that is 4t square. 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So minus plus, here it is 0, here it is 0. It means what? Remainder is 0, means we can say that first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. First polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. So again there are 3 sums are there, and out of it I have completed one. You have to try it yourself. I think that you have to write this thoroughly, and in chat you can chat with me that if some doubt or you want to explain it again, you have to say me in chat box. So now one more still method is remaining, that is how to find other zeros if 2 zeros are given. How to find other zeros if 2 zeros are given, that we want to discuss. How to find other zeros if 2 zeros are given. That is exercise 2.3. One question is there, but before we go through it, we have to see the one example is also we have to understand. So question is, if 2 zeros are, find all zeros, means when power is 4, we know that it has 4 zeros. So question is, find all zeros, find all zeros 2x the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. That is our question. Find all zeros if 2 zeros are given. If 2 zeros are given. So when 2 zeros, that is, what is given? That is given. That is root 2 and minus root 2 is given. Root 2 and minus root 2 is given, and we have to find out all other 4 zeros. Root 2 and minus root 2 means 2 zeros are there. Already we know that x the power 4. How many zeros are there? It has 4 zeros. So out of 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given. By using 2 zeros, we can make a quadratic equation that already we have seen in the last lecture. So x is equal to root 2, x is equal to minus root 2. So x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. We get answer x square minus 2. We get answer x square minus. We have to do it by now long divisible method. That is 2x the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now I have to do it by long divisible method. X square. What is the first step again? I have to divide 2x the power 4 divided by x square. 2x the power 4 divided by x square. So if I will divide it, I will get answer 2x square. So I have to write it here 2x square. Now 2x square multiplied by, that is 2x the power 4. 2x square into minus 2. 2x square into minus 2. That is minus 4x square. So I have to write it here. Why? Because here power is 3. We get answer that is power is 2. So here minus, here plus. Again we get answer 0. Always it must be 0. Otherwise we cannot go further. Now minus 3x cube plus 4 minus 3, that is plus x square, plus 6x. Now minus 3x cube divided by x square, that is minus 3x. Now minus 3x into x square, that is minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into minus 2, that is plus 6x. Now again I have to change the sign. Here plus, here minus. It is 0. Now x square is there. And from here I have to write minus 2. Now x square divided by x square, that is plus 1. I have to write plus 1. X square divided by x square plus 1. Now if I open the bracket, I will get answer x square minus 2. Now sign change, so here it is plus. We can get answer 0. Because when you are doing find other zeros, always remember that your remainder must be 0. Otherwise you will not get factor of this. Your remainder must be 0. Now here we have get q of x, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So what I have to do now? What we have to do? Again 2 ones are 2. Factor of 2. 2 ones are 2 and I want to get 3. So minus 2 minus 1. I will get answer. So that way you have to write all the zeros. So 2 zeros already we have. We have to find other 2 zeros. By using this we can get other 2 zeros. So I have to rub this. Then I have to explain you how we get other 2 zeros. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2 ones are 2, factor of 2, that is 2 ones are 2. So 2x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 1. Now 2x is common, x minus 1. Minus 1 is common, x minus 1. So x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. These are all the factor, not a 0. These are all the factor, not a 0. How we have to find out 0? We have to put x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. And 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1 by, x is equal to 1 by 2. So we have get here other 2 0. How you can write the answer, that is important. So in the last statement you have to write answers. Question is find all zeros. So what you have to write? Root 2 minus root 2, that is 2, and 1 by 2, and 1 by 2. These are all the 4 zeros. So this is the important sum related with the exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, one sum is also like that. So first go through it. So I hope you have written it. Now I have to rub this, and if now one more sum related it, but I will give you some hints how to solve this. when two zeros are in form of, when two zeros are in form of, two zeros are in form of under root 3 by 2, under root 5 by 3. Question is under root 5 by 3. So one time is plus, another time is minus under root 5 by 3. Now how we can remove this? So what is the first step? We have to write first x is equal to, again I have to write x is equal to, now I have to make inside, so minus root 5 upon root 3, again here x plus root 5 upon root 3. Now difference of sign, already we know that in 8th and 7th standard, x plus y, x minus y, I will get x square minus y square. I will get x square minus y square. So x minus y, x plus y, x square minus y. So I have to write it here, x whole to square minus root 5 upon root 3 whole to square. So here I have got x square, here I have got minus 5 by 3. Now equal to 0 is there. So I have to shift this at here. So 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have to divide by 3x square minus 5. That is question number 3. Obtain all other zeros. So what I have to write? Question is in format that we have to convert into 3x square minus 5. So mostly because we are doing the revision related with this chapter, I have taken the important topic related all the chapter. Maybe possible in next lecture we go for some next topic, or we can discuss about the board sum, or we can discuss about the some objective. Already objective materials are sent to you. We have to concentrate on. I think now it is sufficient. And another thing you have to remember, in the last I will every time say follow SMS, sanitizer, mask and social distance. These things compulsory you must have to follow. Thank you.